smoke on the hillside, red earth under my feet. Old man by the breadfruit, talking softly to the youth. He said, watch out the river, carve the stone by and by. Truth don't need no hurry, truth just live and stay. Every seed know the season, every heart know the rain. If you want the answer, listen to the ground again. Ancient wisdom, lead me home. Ancient wisdom, lead me home. In the fire and the water, make my restless spirit whole. Drum on the edge of the nightfall, moon on the marketing. Mother bombs the hurting with a song and a grin. Children dance in the doorway, bare feet marking the land. I was lost in my hunger, now I learn to understand. Every seed know the season, every heart know the rain. If you want the answer, listen to the ground again. Ancient wisdom, lead me home. Ancient wisdom, lead me home. In the fire and the water, make my restless spirit whole. Let the proud man scatter, let the cold wind blow. Still the small voice rising from the roots below. No gold can buy it, no fear can hold. Take my restless spirit home. Concrete jungle got me down low. Pressure building, nowhere to go. Babylon walls, them closing in slow. But I feel a spirit start to glow. Yeah, a higher calling. Hear the ancestors humming. Zion sky, Zion sky, open wide, take me high. No easy road, this journey I tread. Many false prophets fill my head, but the rhythm of creation guides instead. Every single word that's said. Yeah, I knew they dawning. Hear the sweet birds warning. Zion sky, Zion sky, open wide, take me high. Under the tamarind tree, I sit and breathe. Foot in the red earth, heart at ease. River moves steady through the cane row ground. I hear a blackbird sing, I turn around. No heavy chain can keep what the soul decree. I lift my head slow and let the troubles go. Lion spirit, carry me. Lion spirit, set me free. Lion spirit, guide my feet. Lion spirit, make me clean. Yeah, lion spirit, guide my feet. Sister pass water from a blue tin pail. Old man hum a prayer like a rolling sail. Dust on the road and the moon on cane. Still I stand up firm in the burning rain. No dark words stay long when the chant is strong. I lift my hands high and let the fear die. Lion spirit, carry me. Lion spirit, set me free. Lion spirit, guide my feet. Lion spirit, make me clean. fire, and the little birds know. I carry my troubles like stones in my hand. Then I hear a still voice say, release what you can. Breathe in, breathe out, let the river run clean. Breathe in, breathe out, wash the dust from the dream. Oh, your reflection, hold my soul. Dub reflection, make me whole. Rise up, brother, rise up, sister, rise up. Dub reflection, carry me home. Old drum talk in the distance, from the hill to the bay. Grandmothers praying softly as the children play. Every cracked heart can mend when the night turns thin, and the light in the doorway lets the mercy in. Breathe in, breathe out, let the river run clean. Breathe in, breathe out, wash the dust from the dream. Of reflection, hold my soul. Of reflection, make me whole. Rise up, brother, rise up, sister, rise up. Of reflection, carry me home. When the pressure comes heavy and the road gets steep, I put my name in the water, let the worries sleep. No fear in the valley, no chain on my mind, just the chant of the elders and the turning of time. Love reflection, hold my soul. Dub reflection, make me whole. Rise up, brother, rise up, sister, rise up. Dub reflection, carry me home. Morning dew on a cane field blade. I lift my head and I give thanks, yeah. Rivers don't cool in my head. I walk slow through the promised land. Small fire burning by the doorway. Mama hum a prayer for the day. Palm tree lean to the inland breeze. My heart moves gentle with the tree. I am not rushed. spirit heart. Children laugh by the zinc fence line. Stars hang low like a bottle of wine. If the road gets rough, I know healing water, it still can flow. Breadfruit roast and the kettle sing. One love moving through everything. I am not folding, I am not shaking. Jah word glowing in the waiting. Meditation do hold me now. Meditation do carry me down. Meditation do soul stay clear. Meditation do Jah is near. When the pressure come, I turn within. Let the storm pass over my skin. No false crown, no borrowed pride. Only mercy at my side. Meditation do hold me now. Meditation do carry me down. Meditation do soul stay clear. Meditation do Jah is near. Morning sun on zinc fence bright. I close my eyes to see the light. Dust on my shoes, prayer in my chest. I tread the road with a quiet step. River water on the stone, wash away the flesh and bone. What the eye can never find lives inside the inner mind. Still small glow. Oh, I follow slow where the true seed grows. In a vision, guide me home. In a vision, in a vision. Guide me home in a vision. Keep me whole in a vision. Burn so clear. Show me Jah is always near in a vision. Guide me home in a vision. Keep me whole in a vision. Lead the way in a vision through the day. Evening breeze touch the zinc roof. I sit still and I seek proof. Water slow in the clay pot. Heartbeat soft, that's all I've got. Breadfruit shade on the red lane. Old man smile in the small rain. Every step on the rough ground. Keep my thoughts from the night sound. I lay down my restless ways. I breathe through the burning days. No more running, no more shame. I call the light by my name. Come soul, come soul. Hold me, hold. Come soul, come soul. Make me whole. Make me whole. Children laugh by the board fence. Smoke rise thin from the incense. Mother hum by the stone wall. Love stay near when the shadows call. River turn by the cane field. Strong and slow, but the wound healed. I was lost in the hard road. Now I feel the mercy grow. I lay down my restless ways. I breathe through the burning days. No more running, no more shame. I call the light by my name. Come soul, come soul. Hold me, hold. Oh. Come soul, when the night been heavy and the road feel long. I lean on the promise, I lean on the song. Sacred drum, carry me home. Sacred drum, guide my bones. Sacred drum, keep me true. Sacred drum, I sing to you. Old mango tree bending with the weight of time. Children in the yard now move to a harder line. Mama in the doorway, hands full of bread. She said the spirit moving where the humble tread. When the valley darkened and my eyes lose sight, I follow the fire, I follow the light. Sacred drum, carry me home. Sacred drum, guide my bones. Sacred drum, keep me true. Shelter me and ease my mind. Peace of mind. Let the storm roll over. Let the